Welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is Monday the 20th of February and was a bank holiday in USA. So that's why we will have a low volume. But let's start with the analysis pre-New York. So as a scalping wise, that's what I was looking for as per price action. So I was mainly looking for buys above 1846 PSA or pullback buys at 1842, 1841.5. with possible deeper pullbacks with sells below this level, the same one, or buys at the bounce from 1838, all depending if the volume was coming into the charts. So as you can see here, this is mainly what happened today. So we moved into a range of 60 pip, which is was quite messy. So not even a lot of opportunities for buys or sells. So as you can see here, we had a price moving at the start of New York. We had some sort of order block creation and a bounce from the PPL, almost the PPL 1842.5, but we saw some sort of price action. You can see the size of the candle is very small. We have some sporadic bullish candle and we have a bullish one still breaking above 1843, but 1845, sorry, but failing to break strongly above this previous PSA, which was the one here, 1846. So we don't have any confirmation for buys. What we see is that yes, we are up, but we still make a new higher low. If you can see, that's something that I was looking at, is this is an overall 50% correction of this bullish move. So if you have a look at this bullish move, now this is bullish because we are making a new higher high. We can see that this candle confirmation was at around 50%. So in my for me, this was the optimal entry for the session, one of the few ones. As you can see, 50% retracement and then a continuation bullish. This will be like a 10 pip, 7-8 pip stop loss for at least like a almost a 20 pip TP. Will be an 18 pip. It's still at 2.2 to 1 due to the fact that the stop loss is so small that so it's still a good trade. And that's something that I was looking at as well. As you can see here, when I was looking at this, let me just remove this. When I was looking at this impulsive move, yeah, I was looking for buys above this level, buy at this bounce, but also understanding this could be the PSA being respected. The only thing is that I could not enter this level because I don't know, I was not confident about it, still being below this level. So after this long rejection, I was not really confident, but that was the trade idea. And that's also the candle. This is exactly the candle that gave us the opportunity. As you can see here, that's the same candle. And yeah, that was the trade idea, and the optimal entry would have been over there. You can see there also the reasoning. New higher high being printed, 50% retracement, and candle showing weakness, and the retest. The perfect bounce and entry will be at the level due to the of course, anticipation factor of, okay, I'm anticipating the price to make this bounce at 50% retracement. So that will be a perfect entry and optimal as well. So the actual optimal entry. And it's a pre-planned point, and that would have been the best risk to reward ratio. Again, now what I was looking at was about this next candle. So missing this first entry, I was so stuck with it that I failed to look. I saw this level closing, this candle closing bullish, but I failed to take advantage of it because I was talking myself out of the trade basically. Now, yes, this is still a 15 pips win, would have been, but remember that we are almost a 2 to 1, and as per scalping wise, this is still a good trade to test the previous highs, and let's see, maybe it makes a double bottom, maybe it does not. So that would have been a nice entry. I was looking at this candle, what it was forming. It gave me a nice opportunity to enter over there, but I failed to do so. So that's another entry that was missed. And we're going to see that the actual entry that I took today was exactly here at the top of this level. If you can see, my trade idea was about, let's put it like here. My trade idea, if you remember, were the buys above this level, which is the previous highs, and above this level. So when I saw this bullish candle, after already the new 4-hour made, was already opening and was already making a new low, this is a strong rejection and a strong nice bullish candle. I said, okay, this can be the retest in continuation up. So I gave it just like 10 pip stop loss. There was no need to give it more to possible continuation up. Even for 20 pip would have been to next PPL would have been nice. But yeah, the very next candles just took me out for 10 pip and before coming back into the range. Then if you remember, there was also, yes, this is a loss. I was looking for buys, or again, I was looking for sells below this level. I don't know if I have the pre-planned. Let me check about it. Let me see if I have the pre-planned area. So, okay. Yeah, this one was the pre-planned idea updated after I missed this entry. So this entry was quite rough on me because I was looking for buys at 1845. As you can see here, I was already looking for it. What happened was that I missed my entry, and this candle was so nice because yes, it was showing you some weakness from the sellers at these previous lows, and this candle that looks so bullish, there was a point that the candle was here, was simply bullish but at this level, and stopped for a few seconds, and I was looking at it, and that's where I missed. So that's why I said the price stalled out for a few seconds waiting for my entry. They were waiting for me, but I felt fear of taking another loss after this one, and so yeah, that was just fear of entering, fear of losing. So that's not good, and that's what also what I will be working on. Let me just close the replay candle. And so yeah, this would be a loss, and this would have been a nice scalp win if I entered where I saw it. Stop loss would be like 5 pips, and so then almost a 20 pip win, like a 19 pip win, will still be more than 3-1 entry. So that's a missed entry. And if I showed you, this is the sells that I was looking for below this level. So I can see that we have a strong rejections. So I want to see some nice rejection and bounce from 1845. Otherwise, if I see continue bearish candles, then I want to see a break and retest below 1845.0, 1845 flat. So that's also when we see it, is after the 10 AM candle, we have a liquidity grab, and then we have this nice continuation. This is the same that happened here. It's actually the same, and actually the same happened to me. So we can have like a 5, maximum even 10 pip stop loss, and as you can see, more than 20 pip TP. It's more than 2-1. If you had this big stop loss, the stop loss could have been even 5 and 6 to give you a nice risk to reward. Same thing that happened is that so this one was just back testing, and let's see. Okay, no, now it's done. The same thing happened here about the candle stalling. So this candle was bullish and staying here for a long time. The only thing that happened was that as soon as it reversed bearish, I was looking at it and it stalled out like it did here, just waiting for me, but I failed to enter, and then it just kept going, like this one that just went bullish. So I was really waiting. It was really waiting for me. It was giving me the signal like, okay, yeah, I'm ready to drop. This is your pre-planned analysis. So just enter, and I will drive you to the next lows on the left hand side for a nice 20 pip scalp. Then you can see a 50% retracement and then continuation bullish. So you can see it here from this eyes, no, not even 50. Yeah, 50 if we consider the last liquidity grab. 50% retracement, failed to make new highs, and then continuation for more than 20 pip more on the downside. So that's what happened today. Of course, not a lot of volume. This is just a candle closure. It's just it is, and a lot to work on as per psychology as always, but still feeling good because I just have to trust my intuition. I have a couple of entries where I could have had nice win with my intuition, and this one as well. It's just that I am too scared of and too afraid to lose, and everybody knows that scared money does not make any money. So that's what I'm going to work on. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Let me just place this bullish one from here. Not even, that's like a 5 6 pip TP. That will be also the same as per pre-planned analysis. There you go, 20 pip. And especially also if you consider this level, yes, it's a 6-7 pip stop loss for 16. It's a 2-to-1. That will be my my day, my scalping day. Even in a low volume day, that will be still be a profitable trade day. But I actually ended up taking this breaker retest loss and having fear of losing afterwards. So that's a lot of work to do still. But yeah, I see you guys tomorrow for the second day of full-time trading.